Santosham. Today we are going to learn how to do Virabhadrasana, also called warrior pose. Vira means hero, Bhadra means friend, and Asana means pose. There are a total of 8 steps in this posture, which is the equivalent of doing Virabhadrasana 1 time. To start, go to the standing steady pose and take a deep breath 2 times. Step 1. Inhale, jump, and bring your legs apart like this. Raise the arms above the head in the Namaste pose. Now 2. Turn your left foot 90 degrees and your right foot slightly inwards. Step 3. Exhale. Bend the left leg at the knee until the thigh and the calf form a right angle and the left thigh is parallel to the foot. Check that the bent knee does not extend past the ankle and that the big toe is visible. Arc your back and drop your head back, looking up in the Namaste pose. Your elbow should be straight. Hold this for a few seconds. Step 4. Inhale and straighten the knee. Step 5. Retain your breath and turn your right foot 90 degrees and your left foot slightly inwards. Step 6. Exhale. Bend the right leg at the knee until the thigh and the calf form a right angle and the left thigh is parallel to the foot. Arc your back and drop your head back, looking up in the Namaste pose. Hold this for a few seconds. Step 7. Inhale, straighten the knee and the leg. Step 8. Exhale, jump and bring your feet together just like the starting pose. Repeat this process 2 to 3 more times as needed. Thank you for watching. Santosham.